Right, just popped out for a quick session. Got about an hour and a half, so just chucked my bait in. Got one just in the margin and one out in the middle. Yeah, see what happens. If I get anything, I'll show you. As I say, only a short session, so yeah, hopefully I'll have something to show you. But yeah, cheers. Size Bream here, guys. As you can see, she's more than ready to go back. She keeps fighting, so I'm going to keep her on camera for too long. Yeah, got about another hour left. If anything else comes up, I'll show you guys. So I made an 8.5 pound. So, yeah, cheers. Just let her go, eh? It's gone very quiet since I've had the Bream. I'm going to give it another 20-30 minutes, drink the last cup of tea. I'm going to make a move, I think. Yes, she's gone absolutely dead now. If I do catch anything, yeah, I'll include it in the video. Cheers, guys.